Using correct keywords is one of the most important factors in being successful in niches. Now, what I recommend you do is to concentrate on a small number of trigger keywords. These are basically keywords which will get a response. You could also refer to them as buying keywords or buyer keywords. Now, I'll give you a couple of examples of keywords you can use. Okay, one example is to use the keywords, what are man boobs? Now, this will usually just attract tire kickers. Because, the people that you're going to attract, they may not be looking for a solution. A lot will, but some may not. Okay. Now, here's an example of a better uh, keyword set of keywords that you can use. Okay. How to get rid of man boobs, or how to get rid of man boobs fast. Okay. So this is what I would consider a trigger